Hi, this is Umar and you are watching Building Information Modeling or BIM video series. In today's video, we'll talk about Beijing's massive new Daxing International Airport. So, let's begin. Beijing's massive new Daxing International Airport is just officially open for business, just in time for celebration, making the 70th anniversary of the People's Republic of China on October the 1st. Most of the construction of the Beijing Daxing International Airport, dubbed as the Golden Phoenix, were completed on June 30th. All the completed projects passed the inspection test, meaning the airport is ready for operation. Building of the flight area started in December 2014 and construction of the core terminals fully began in September 2015. Many Chinese central SOEs participated in the construction of the airport. As per China Southern Airline Company Limited, to develop projects in a high quality, safe, clean-fingered and model way. The company used the worldwide recognized BIM technology, which collected all the engineering data for designs and construction into a 3D information database. It will continue to adapt the method for future maintenance. The method improves efficiency and lowers cost and risks during construction. In addition, China Southern innovated and optimized the engineering technologies and applied for 17 patented technologies during the project. The company will offer green, intelligent and technological travel services for passengers. China Southern's airline-based construction projects included aircraft maintenance facilities, dormitories for shift work, air catering facilities, houses for flight operations and safeguards, and freight transport zones. The 5 functional zones covering nearly 1.09 million square meters were built in several phases. The construction area of the first phase was 878,700 square meters with 31 individual buildings. As per China General Technology Group, the company contracted its first project of the new airport in October 2017 and effectively pushed forward and construction of the other engineering tasks such as dormitory construction, water supply lines, decoration of VIP passengers, restrooms and the terminals, and construction of the pipework of meteorological radar stations. As per China Communications Construction Company Limited CCCC, Number 4 Engineering Company Limited, First Harbour Engineering Company Limited participated in the flying area project, and its main mission included construction of parts 1 and 2 of the runway in the west, the soil surface area, a channel under the highway, the drainage project of the flying zones, and the service facilities construction. As per China National Aviation Fuel Group Limited, the aviation fuel project of the Beijing's Daxing International Airport was the largest invested program of CNAF and was a major concern of the company. An aircraft refueling test was done on June 30th during the full pilot operation. The test showed that the fuel is qualified and the refueling procedures are nominative. As per China Engineering Group Company Limited, the company Planning and Engineering Company Limited CPE participated in some power grid removal and restructure projects. The distributed photovoltaic PV power generation project and the construction of the new airport 110 kV traction substation. As per China Tower Corporation Limited China Tower, most of the construction of the mobile communication infrastructure generally contracted by China Tower was completed recently, providing full internet coverage of the new airport and of high-speed railways and expressways in affected areas. China Tower made the most of resources and developed the comprehensive construction plan which met the demands of public communication network and private municipal network of 5 communication companies. Meanwhile, issues like types of base stations, power capacity, and machine room resources have been planned and reserved in advance for 5G technology and other industrial services.